there are so many shops. So
Uh-huh.
when we go one by one in one shop to another shop, what we the word I don't know actually, but I should use
You can
the
say I
store,
was,
one store to another store.
I was,
I've again opted for one more subscription. It is one session per week. So I think I have two sessions as of now. After that, the last week I had a session with a tutor, and right now it's I think second one that I'm taking right now.
Hmm. Okay, I think believe that was your last subscription, right?
Yeah, that was my last subscription. Again, I resubscribed this thing, one more plan. Yeah. So this
Okay.
plan consists one session per week, because I earlier I was having three sessions per week. What was happening? I was not able to. Sometimes I got myself stuck in my official work, so the sessions were left unattended. I left
Yeah.
sessions unattended.
Yeah.
So yeah, so I thought I should go for one session per week with a longer duration of time, that 25 minutes or 30 minutes. So that will be, I think, better for me. So because
Hmm.
one session per week is easily possible for me to take, because I can plan out one session easily. But when it comes to three sessions per week, then I have to check out when I will be available to have this session. Yeah.
I can totally understand. For you, I think it would be really difficult for you to find the right time for your sessions, right? It happens, like it
Right.
is. It is really common. You're a government employee and
Sometimes,
you don't know
yeah,
what work you have at office.
yeah. Sometimes it did happen that I came back from my office, and immediately I have after that I have to sit for the session, and
Yeah, that is tiring
yeah,
mentally.
yeah.
I know. I know.
So
It's okay.
after 8 to 9 hours of working, then immediately you are sitting for a 15 to 20 minutes of session, and you don't have any idea what you are going to have. Uh,
Hmm.
in one way, it was good, but in other way, it was not actually materializing my what I actually wanted from my session. That thing was not materializing, because I was not having any thought. I just need to. I used to just sit and start talking on any topic. But yeah, in a way, it was good, I'll say. But in other way, it was sometimes a bit frustrating for me.
Hmm. Oh, I can totally understand that. It happens.
Yeah.
Okay. So, apart from this, what all things have you practiced lately? Consciously, like reading or listening, maybe.
Uh, I would like to tell you honestly, this thing. I am right now. I don't know why, but I'm more towards listening right now. I
Hmm.
am listening to YouTube videos of different tutors. I'll say different speakers.
Hmm.
But when it comes to speaking, I'm not working on that. The amount I should devote towards speaking, I am not giving. I think what I think, because either I am not getting that environment at my workplace or at my home as well. So yeah, after subscription of this 25-minute session, I was having a thought that I should have three sessions per week. At least I was having that 15-minute slot on alternate days, so that I could speak to a person with a 15 minutes of session. But right now I'm having only one session per week, so that practice is not
Less,
taking
little
place, I'll
less.
say. Yeah,
No worries,
little
no
less.
worries. It's okay. It happens. Finding the right time is also a task sometimes, right?
Yeah,
Especially when you have some things to do already. Correct.
right,
Okay.
right.
No issues about that. So let's do one thing. We discussed your daily routine in the last session.
Yeah,
Today, let's talk
yeah.
about your yesterday's routine. Okay. So now you have to change the tense. You have to tell me about the things which you did yesterday or maybe last weekend, whatever is convenient for you. Okay. So now I
Okay,
wake up becomes I woke up. I go through
okay,
my office becomes I went. Sorry about that. So yeah, you have to take care of all the tenses.
right.
use the past tense. Try and let's see
Okay.
how it goes.
Done. Okay.
Sure. So you're going to tell me about your
So
last weekend or yesterday?
I'll tell you about my last the day I had off. That means I'll tell you a bit about the day the Farah was.
The Shera
The
was
day,
on
yeah, the
Wednesday.
day before yesterday. Yeah,
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Sure. Go for it.
Because uh, as you know, on the day the Farah, normally all government offices used to be closed. So we planned out to go outside and have some kind of refreshment, like so that we can tune ourselves in our life in some other way, like from routine. I want to disconnect this daily routine thing. I wanted to disconnect. So I we consist of my wife and my son. We went outside and we went to a mall. There we went to so many uh, what I can say shopping in a mall. Those shops that a number of shops are there. So what I'll say about that,
And number of shops.
in a particular brand, I'll say, I mean, there are so many shops. So when we go one by one in one shop to another shop, what we the word I don't know actually, but I should use.
You can
A
say
store, one store to another store.
I was hopping from one store to the another.
Okay.
Hopping.
So
It's okay. You can
hopping.
also say that I visited a lot of shopping stores one by one, like that. Okay, it's fine. Yeah.
So we visited a lot of shopping stores one by one, and after that we felt like we should have something to eat. So we went in food court, and there we ordered pizza and burger, and after that we had all this. We went down these stairs, and there we found that there was some show going on, some singing competition kind of stuff was going on the ground floor of that mall. So I participated into that singing competition. Yeah, it went it went not I'll not say it went well, but yeah, it was okay. So I tried myself with few songs. I sung few songs, and it was nice. It was nice for me. It felt quite relaxing after going for that singing. After that, we went to another shopping center. From there, we purchased few things, few things, and we came back to our home.
Okay, so that was your Dashera day.
Yeah, that was also
that day.
Actually, that day in the evening hours, we planned to go outside and check out this Ravana, what I can say, burning of Ravana, or the Farah celebration kind of stuff. So what one of my friends told me that there was so much kind of crowd outside. So I'll suggest you not to go for it. So I dropped the plan, because if when it comes to my my wife and I, we can go, but with my son, he's only 8 years old, so taking him into that crowd was a bit tougher decision for me. So I just decided to drop it, and so we rested at home, and this was our that day routine.
Nice. Okay, so that was your Dashera's routine. Wednesday.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah,
okay,
Wednesday
good job.
routine, yeah.